Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and you're getting an E48 error and you need to know what it is and what you need to do about it. So really quickly, the E48 error is when the washing machine detects an error with the drive motor that drives this drum. And so basically that means that part of the inside of the motor is turning, but it's not driving driving the motor, and so you're not going to get any spin. And if you get this error, you'll probably notice that you try to start a cycle, maybe it takes on water, and then the drum fails to spin. So the most likely thing that you're going to need to do is, now it could be an issue with wiring to the motor, but in most situations it's going to be actually the drive motor itself that is just going to need to be replaced. And especially if you've done a hard reset, you've turned it off, you've disconnected it from power for a minute, plugged it back in, and you still get this error, you're almost definitely going to need to replace the drive motor.